My name is Beatrice. I was created by Quartermain 3000, and I have the pleasure of introducing you to his new show, See Quartermain Do, an exciting new DIY series. Over the years, Quartermain has had just about every hands-on job and every hands-on hobby you can imagine. Join us as he shares his knowledge of how to fix things.
What? It just burned something on there.
And learns new and exciting things with you and the 2 or 3 other enthusiastic subscribers that have already joined us. Welcome, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.